Ready to dive into the world of trading? Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade futures using the Bybit exchange. So the first thing you want to do is to have a Bybit account. The link to sign up will be on my bio or in the video description. Now, once you sign up, you need to log in. What we are doing today is using the Bybit app. Okay, so log into your app, and once you log into your app, at the middle here, you'll see where it says trades. Okay, so click on it. Now, once you click on it, you see different options at the top here. So make sure that you are on the futures trade option. Right now, once you're on the futures trade option, we have the trade option, and then we'll have the chart option. The chart option is where we do analysis. The trade option is where we take our trades. So if I go to the chart option, this is where you have the candlesticks, okay, on different time frames, showing you this is where you do your analysis. We'll have a separate video on this. Okay, so we'll just focus on the trade option. Now, once you come to the trade option, you can see that we have the pair, we have our margin mode, we have our leverage, and all of this. Understanding the basics is key to successful trading, and that is why I want to show you step by step on how to use this different option. Okay, if you are going to be trading as signals, or you want to just do your own analysis, let's say you want to trade Solana right now. So the first thing you want to do is to select the pair. As you can see, sold USDT. If you click on that option, it gives you this different option, and here you equally need to make sure that you're on the perpetual option, and then you can search for any of the token. You can use the search option here to search for the token you want to trade. Once you see that, you select it. The next thing is to select your margin mode. Here we have isolated and then cross margin. Cross margin, you are risking the whole of your capital. Isolated margin, you are risking only the capital you enter that trade with. That is, if you get liquidated, you will only lose the money you enter that trade with on isolated. And then on cross margin, if you get liquidated, you will lose the whole money on your account. All right, the next thing you want to do is to select your leverage. So by default, yours could be 10, 20 or thereabout. If you click on it, you have the option to slide this the way you want. Right, once you selected your leverage, your preferred leverage, the next thing is to have money on your account. If you don't have money right here, all you need to do is to click on this option. That means you might have deposited money already on your account. Okay, there's a separate video on how to deposit money and transfer it into your futures account. Right now, the next thing you want to do, there are different order types right here. Okay, so if I click on it, you can see we have limit, market, conditional, and all of that. Most often we always do limit order, right? Limit orders allows you to set the price you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy when Solana gets to 117. I'll just go ahead and type 117 right there. You can see the current price is about 118, and the next thing is to add the amount you want to trade. Now this option right here shows USDT. If yours is not showing USDT, make sure you click on the arrow and change it to order by value. So I just say 200. Okay, once I say 200 right here, you'll see how much it will cost us. All right, the quantity we are trading, how much it will cost us to enter this trade. And once you're done, you can set your TP and SL, that is your take profit and stop loss, before you even open that trade. Right, so you click on the option that says set TP and SL. Once you click on check on that, okay, you go ahead and click on TP and SL. Here you can set your TP, and here you can put your stop loss. After that, you go ahead and click on confirm, and then you can go ahead and open a long or a short trade. Now, when you are setting the TP and SL, make sure that if you are going to open a short trade, that you switch to the short option to set the TP and SL there. If it is a long, switch to the long option to set the TP and SL. After that, you go ahead and click on open, and that trade has been opened automatically. Now, once the trade opens, if we scroll down here, okay, so here is your open position. All the positions that are open, you will see there. Then here is your pending orders. Right, if I click on the order option, yeah, I have about 54 orders here. Right here, you'll see the Solana trade we just opened right now. Okay, so this is a Solana trade we just opened, and we can go ahead and click to modify this trade or to cancel it. So I just go ahead and cancel it because I have Solana trade already running. Then on the position option, if you did not set your TP and SL before you open that trade, you equally have the option to do that on the existing trade. So right here, you will see where it says set TP and SL. You can go ahead and do that. You see where it says close by if you want to take partials and all of that. And you see where it says reverse. Yours may not be showing the reverse option. This is because I've tweaked my settings to add this one right here. If you want to know more about that, let me know, and then in the next video, I'll show you how to do that. Right? That's basically how you take trades right here. So if you want to close your trade, you can close, use the close by option, or you allow it to hit the TP and SL that you have actually set here. One thing I need to let you know is that practice makes perfect, right? So make sure that you start small and then you grow. Join us on Telegram to learn more. I'll see you guys in the next video.